A car crashes through the front of a game store and trashes the place. Now, this is...
Oh, man.
Well, this is unlike the story at Vaughan Mills. This is not to do with theft or anything. This is just a mishap, I presume.
Yeah.
It says the driver was unhurt. You can see the minivan here. Maybe didn't know it was in reverse. This stuff happens more frequently than you would think. What the craziest part in this case is the way the shelves are laid out and the location with which he or she actually entered the space. Mm-hmm. Boom!
Look at this guy.
Oh wow! I
see that guy?
I did not even notice the guy.
Yeah.
That had to step out of the way when he realized his life was on the line. Yeah, he's just browsing back there. He's looking at the glass case. He's looking at the retro titles. Uh-huh. And he gets a rude awakening. Thankfully, the driver themselves was unhurt, and no one in the store was injured. Someone could have been dead in this situation. Mm-hmm. The company is called Game Co. in Joplin, Missouri. And this place was trash over the weekend when the car drove straight through the front wall and plowed through several shelves of stock, tires screeching the whole time. It happened on Saturday. Oh, recent. And it was captured on security camera video. What? Does it say second time? For the second time. No, never mind. I was looking at the tweet down there. For the second time. What? So this happened to my local game store yesterday for the second time. Oh, I don't know. Something must be going on the way this parking lot is laid out. What? How are you going to have that happen more than once? Damn.
Oh, man.
The driver was a grandparent. Yeah, that's one of those. I didn't know it was in reverse moments. They just hit the gas hit the accelerator as if they were going forward. The throttle was stuck. She told them. Yeah, having spoken with the lady behind the wheel, Gameco staff say she told them the throttle was stuck and that she had to slam it in drive to get it to stop going backwards, or she would have went through the entire building. She was very shaken up and embarrassed. They told her no one was hurt, and that's all that matters. Mm-hmm. Everything else can be replaced, but lives can't. Wow. It was one of these type of game stores that had like rare collectibles and stuff too.
Yeah,
mostly like a lot of used games and stuff. So I guess not everything can be replaced, but you can try to value it via your insurance plan.